What's the meaning of crude oil? Crude oil. Crude oil.
Crude oil. Crude oil. Crude oil is a naturally occurring, unrefined petroleum product composed of hydrocarbon deposits and other organic materials. It is extracted from underground reservoirs through drilling and then transported to refineries for processing into various fuels, such as gasoline, diesel, and jet fuel, as well as other useful products like lubricants and asphalt. Crude oil is a vital resource for modern industrial societies, but its combustion releases greenhouse gases and other pollutants into the atmosphere, contributing to global climate change and environmental degradation.